Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a money glitch in Row Citizens, and I'll show you how to do it. First, just start up Row Citizens. Okay. What the? Why did I just die? As you're doing this glitch, but just wait for it to load in. Almost loaded in. Okay, now of course. Oh, and we got an online data over here. What you want to do is make your way over to the bank. Once you're there, I'll tell you what to do. Or once I'm there. Oh yeah, and by the way, I might be getting a new computer that's actually good in a little bit. So hopefully stream better and it won't be laggy. So once you're in here, just go here and investments. Click if you need to have $10,000 though. Click invest. Now just walk around for a little bit. Okay, now then you have to leave. And then rejoin. You might need to have a certain kind of computer. It has to be like a laptop. Like HP. I'm using an HP laptop. 15.6 inches. That's probably the size you might need to have, or maybe lower, or a little bit bigger. Okay, now make your way back to the bank. Probably spawn my car, but I'm already close. Okay, so now once you're here, click interact, hold it right over here, and then see. Oh, I missed it. Hold on, let me retry. Ooh, did you see it? It said collect. You have to keep spamming your mouse button, the left mouse button, so you could actually collect your money, 25,000, and then it'll appear again, I think, pretty sure, and then you could collect it again, so you got 50 grand. You keep doing it, get as much money as you want, and you can buy all the best things ever. Cause I have that one, I don't know, a modern villa, and I have the Lambo. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to, hold on, I'm gonna spawn my car this time. Oh, please go away. Sorry if my keyboard is loud. Just naturally loud. Okay, now let's retry that. See, I got my money again. Now look at my money. Collected 50 grand. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.